The world is collapsing since we understand it. Today in the news I heard about a man in black smoking a big cigar, and inside that smoke flies were falling and falling. It's the end. Time is elastic. It goes back and farther. You never know if it's false or true. So far away from your neighborhood is when you realize nothing's fading, all stars fading, and you, dreamer, you feel like a little boy, is crying, trying to hide from the dark. Oh, from the dark. Hey! And it's hard, it's so hard. So sweet, so cool, darling. And I've been so stoned, time has gone lightly. Now here I am, holding your hand, learning that because of you I should try one more time. Hey! Leaving fears behind, facing troubles with a smile. There's no doubt it's a beautiful chance, 'cause the world is collapsing. Yeah, the world is collapsing. The world is collapsing. Oh, we're going down. Hey. We know it's true. We play the fools, but it's not too late to change. The world is collapsing. The world is collapsing. Bienvenidos al Aguinaldo.